Hello students, very good morning to all of you. So children, in this video I will explain you few more exercises which are left. So all of you take your book 2 and chapter 3, that is the name of the chapter is Sheena's first painting. So our today's topic is pronouns. Okay, after this exercise I will explain you what are pronouns. Before that, all of you take out page number 6 from book 2 chapter 3 Sheena's first painting. So look at the pictures and write the opposites. Here you have to look the pictures and write the opposite words. Opposite words, first one is hot. The tea is hot, the ice cream is cold. So hot and cold, these are opposite word of each other. This is hot, H-O-T, hot. This is cold, C-O-L-D, cold. The elephant is big, B-I-G, big. The B is small, S-M-A-S-S, small. So here big and small are opposite word of each other. The giraffe is tall, the sheep is short. So here tall and short are opposite of each other. This window is open, this is shut or closed. So here open and shut are opposite of each other. Okay. So first one is hot, cold, big, small, tall, short, open and shut. These are the opposite words of each other. Now point C. Look at these pictures and fill in the blanks. Number 1. A person who cures us is a who cures us? Who cures? Doctor. Doctor. When we fall asleep, doctor cures us. So the answer is doctor. D-O-C-T-O-R, doctor. Number 2, a person who flies an aeroplane is a pilot. He or she is called pilot. P-I-L-O-T, pilot, who flies an aeroplane. Number 3, a person who grows fruits and vegetables is a farmer. A person who works in a field is called a farmer. F-A-R-M-E-R, farmer. Number 4, a person who makes clothes is a tailor. Tailor who stitches our clothes, tailor. T-A-I-L-O-R, tailor. Now let's begin our today's topic, that is pronoun. What are pronouns? You should know about pronouns. Okay, the word he, she, it, they, we, you and I are called pronouns. Okay, I am repeating again. The words he, she, it, they, we, you and I are called pronouns. We use them in place of nouns. We use them in place of nouns. We use she with the female nouns. We use she with the female nouns. Suppose this is a girl. She is a girl. So here we use pronoun she in place of a girl's name. Suppose Mia. The girl, the name of the girl is Mia. So we can say she is a girl. Mia is a girl. Mia is noun. We can say she is a girl. She, that we use pronoun in place of Mia. Mia is a noun. So we use pronouns in place of nouns. We use he with male nouns. We use he with male nouns. Jay is a boy. Jay is a boy. We can say he is a boy. So here Jay is noun. We can say he in place of Jay because Jay is a noun and we can use pronoun he in place of noun. So answer is he is a boy, or we can say Jay is a boy, he is a boy. So we use he with male nouns. We use it with animals, objects and babies. Okay, remember that we use a pronoun it. It is a pronoun. So we use it with animals, objects and babies. It is a bird. It is a bird. So here we use pronoun it. It is a doll. Doll is a thing, so we can use it is a doll. It is a baby. We can use it for animals, things, and babies. So it is a baby. It is a baby. Here we use it, pronoun it. Now here we have some. I have some examples for you. She is Mia. Mia is a noun. Okay. When we use pronoun in place of nouns. So Mia is noun, and we can use she. She is a pronoun. Okay. So in place of noun we can use pronoun. She is Mia. Mia is a girl. She is Mia. She is a girl. Okay. She has a pet. Here we have used she, pronoun she. She has a pet. Mia has a pet. She has a pet. So she denotes to a noun. She can skate. She is a pronoun. Pronoun. Mia can skate. We can use in place of Mia. We can use she in place of Mia, because we should use pronoun in place of nouns. So we can use she can skate. Mia can skate. She can skate. He is Jai. Jai is noun. When we use pronoun, we use pronoun in place of noun. So he is Jai. Jai is noun and he is pronoun. Okay. He can paint. Jai can paint. We can use he in place of Jai. We can use he in place of Jai, because Jai is a noun and we can use he in place of noun. Jai can paint. He can paint. Now it is a doll. It is a doll. Doll is a noun and it is a pronoun. When we use it with animals, things, and babies. Remember that. It is a doll. Rahul and Jai are playing. Rahul and Jai are playing. Rahul and Jai are nouns. So we can use pronoun in place of nouns. So we can use they. They. T-H-E-Y. They. They means Rahul and Jai. They is a pronoun and Rahul and Jai are nouns. So we can use they in place of nouns. Rahul and Jai are playing means they are playing. They are playing. Okay. This one. They are playing. They is a pronoun. Vikas and I are studying. Vikas and I are studying. That means Vikas and I is a noun. I is a pronoun. I is both noun and pronoun. Vikas and I are studying means we can use we. We are studying. Pronoun we. In place of noun we use we pronoun. We are studying. How are you? When we talk about something, we can use you. How are you? I am fine. Thank you. You is a pronoun. I is also a pronoun. Understood? What are pronouns? Pronouns, when we use pronouns in place of nouns, we can use pronouns. Pronouns are I, you, he, she, they, we, it. These are called pronouns. She, we can use she with female nouns. We can use he with male nouns. We can use it with animals, things, and babies. Remember that. So we can explain we can do the exercises in our next class. Okay, today in this video I just want to explain you the topic, that is what are called pronouns. So in your note, in your textbook, page number 7, you can see these pictures. Here some pictures are given. This is Venu. This is Venu. Venu is a boy and also Venu is a noun. So we can use he studies in class 1. He means Venu. Venu is a boy, that's why we use he. He studies in class 1. Here he is a pronoun. Underline the pronoun, he is a pronoun. This is Janit. Janit is a girl. That's why we use pronoun she. She likes mangoes. She means Janit. Janit likes mangoes. This is a tree. Tree is a thing, and when we use it, we use it with things, animals, and babies. So this is a thing. This is a tree, and for tree we use noun it. It is green. It is green. Similarly, you can see this. Look at these pictures. Write he, she, or it in the blanks. As we know, when we use he, she, or it, so we can easily do this. This is a caterpillar. This is a thing. So we can use it. This is a man, and for male nouns we have to use pronoun he. Chocolate is a thing. We should use it for chocolates. This is a girl, or for female nouns we have to use she, pronoun she. So S-H-E, she. Grandfather is a male noun. So for male noun we have to use pronoun he. He denotes to male nouns. H-E, he. Grandmother, she is a girl, and for female nouns we have to use pronoun she. S-H-E, she. Okay. So up to this much, all of you are requested to please do practice at home. In our next class, I will explain you the grammar book and the remaining exercises. Okay. Till then, all of you keep practicing. All of you take care and bye bye.